Good day, Doctor. Today we want to present about the management side of the subtopic, which is the break-even analysis and the linear programming graphical. Before I start, I would like to introduce our group member first, which is the Ziyang, Xingyi, Ziyi, Jingting, and me, Junpeng. So let's start. What is the break-even analysis? The break-even analysis helps businesses determine the point at which total revenue equal to the cost, meaning there is not net loss of gain, is essential for pricing, budgeting, and decision making. Profit at break-even point is zero. There are the three components in break-even analysis, which the volume, cost, revenue, and profit. The volume is the symbol of volume is V, the number of unit produced or sourced, and the cost they are divided by the four fixed cost, variable cost, total variable cost, and total cost. And the total revenue is the VP, and the profit is Z. This is the formula to calculate the total cost and total profit. The total cost is equal to the fixed cost plus total variable cost, and the profit is total revenue minus fixed cost minus variable cost. That is computing the break-even point. This will show how to get the break-even point for using the two different formula. That's all.
Now we are discuss about the example break-even analysis. For the example questions, we can know that the fixed cost is $10,000, the variable cost is $5 per unit, and the selling price is $10 per unit. And we can calculate the contribution margin per unit, which is selling price minus variable cost. And we also can calculate the break-even point in unit, which is fixed cost divided by contributions margin per unit, and the answer is 1,000 units. After that, we can contribute it into a graph. For the graph, we can know that the break-even point and the left side of the point, we can know that the cost is higher than the revenue, so the company will lose. For the right side, the revenue will be higher than the cost, so that the company will profit.
Hi, let's start with the basics. What is the linear programming? So linear programming, or LP, is a powerful mathematical technique used to find the best possible outcome, like maximum profit or minimum cost, based on a set of limitation or constraints. These constraints are expressed as linear equations or inequality, which make LP especially useful when managing limited resources like time, money, and materials. So you will find LP in action across many fields. Operation managers use it to optimize production. Data analysis use it for decision making, and it is used in logistic, economic, and supply chain management. So in short, linear programming helps us make smart, data-driven decisions when resources are tight.
Where is it applied? It can optimize use in many industries like manufacturing, transportation, finance, agriculture, and healthcare. It can help business to improve efficiency, save time and money. When is it useful? It can help us when we face multiple contexts and need to make the best use of limited resources like time, money, space, or manpower to help us get the most out of what we have.
The step in formulating a linear program. 1. Identify product to be produced and define the product as decision variable. 2. Identify the objective function. Objective function can be even to maximize profit or minimize cost. 3. Identify constraints, resources used to make the product. Look for the work that represent constraints such as at most, at least, and maximum of and available. 4. Identify mathematical expressions for the constraints. Look for the amount of resources needed to make one unit of product. Let's do this example. A furniture company produced two products, namely table and chair. These two products are the decision variable. So we let T equal to number of table, let C equal to number of chair. Next, we find the objective function. It says that each table show use of profit of 70 ringgit, where each chair show use of profit of 50 ringgit. So we have information about profit. The objective function will be maximize profit. Thus, the objective function is written as a maximize profit z equal to 70t plus 50c, where z is the total profit. Next, identify constraints. The resources used to make the table and the chair of carpentry time and painting time, because it says that 24 hours of carpentry time are available and 100 hours of painting time are available. So we obtain two constraints. It also says that each table requires 4 hours of carpentry work and 2 hours of painting work, where each chair requires 3 hours of carpentry work and 1 hour of painting work. So we write the constraint 40 plus 3c less than or equal to the 240 at the first constraint for carpentry time. The second constraint is the 2t plus 1c less than or equal to 100 for painting time. So complete the model by writing the non-negative constraint that is all variable must be greater than or equal to 0.
To sum up, linear programming is a powerful tool to optimizing limited resources, and the graphical method make it easy to visualize solutions. Alongside this, tools like break-even analysis help classify when a business starts turning a profit, supporting smarter financial decision and planning. Thank you so much.